So JQ is a nice tool when it comes to working with JSON. You can add syntax coloring, plus you can re-indent or pretty a JSON file. But when it comes to other file formats, it's common not to have both of these features in one tool. And so a different approach you can take is to split apart the responsibility of pretty printing and syntax coloring. And then you can look for a tool for each task. For example, I could use prettier, which is a code formatter, to add the indentation and break lines and make the code formatted nice. And then I could pass that off to something like that to add syntax coloring. Okay, so in my case here, I've got this compact.json file. And if I want, I could start out by running the prettier command. This is a code formatter. I can run that with npm via npx. So that will download the package and run it one time. And in this case, I'm going to pass to it the compact.json file. So when I do that, you can see I get a nice set of indented output with new lines added, very much like the JQ command. Except in this case, prettier is only reformatting the code. It's not going to add any sort of syntax coloring. That's just not something it does. So in that case, I can take that and pipe the output to bat. And when I run that, I'm not going to get any syntax coloring. And that's because bat doesn't know what language it's working with. So I have to tell bat, hey, use the language for JSON. Now when I run that, I get syntax coloring.